Hey there, and welcome to OnTheRoadCamOfficial, your ultimate destination for real, raw, and unfiltered dashcam footage from the road. Automobile dashing away, whether it's crazy close calls, scenic drives, or just the daily grind, we've got it all here.
The wheels seem to be acting out a scene of breaking up but wanting to get back together, trying to hold on to its love but failing miserably. This isn't the first time he's experienced this situation.
Why not just give way a little, only to end up regretfully looking at the repair bill for the white bus? The worker's impromptu jump rope session. Just a little misstep and his leg is off to the hospital to get casted.
Ooh! Come on! Push through! Push through! Push through, bitch! Come on! Oh my God! Let go!
The car was on the verge of tipping over, but luck was on the driver's side. He thought he was in a movie. Which driver do you think is at fault in this situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below the video. The white car was so small that the driver didn't realize it was turning, and by the time the collision happened, it was too late.
inside the car parked on the road. The truck had no choice but to let the vehicle jump into the river for a drink to prevent a collision.
The beautiful girl was like a moving disaster, causing the group of men to have an accident. Do you think the issue is the tunnel being too low or the vehicle being too large?
Clean them out. And it actually dissolves into the water right there. That works.